Good morning, tutor and company. From the present activity, I share my video. My name is Carlos Cabrera. I am 28 years old. I work in animal park called Faunáticos. I am an operator. I am single. I am born in Bogota in October 12, 99. I live with my mom and my stepfather. Regarding why my personally, I consider myself to be a responsible, dedicated person and very easygoing. I love playing football and sharing with my friends and my family. What gets my upset is when people take advantage on their authority and also people want mystery animals. About my daily routine, I can tell you come from Monday to Saturday all you and 3 a.m. I do some studying until and 6 a.m. and 10 I start getting ready to go to work. I have breakfast and I love the house and 6:25 a.m. Get there at 6 and 15 a.m. I change my clothes and I start working until noon. Then I have 2 hours lunch break. I get back to work at 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. Then I go back home. I like watching TV for a while. I finish some homeworks, I have dinner and go to sleep. This is a little summary of my life. Thank you. Keep me posted. Description folks. This is my work. I hope in taking care of the animals in the park. Chicks picture. I am with the little pony on the farm here named Texas. Texas has head of many colored tortillo. She has a very long and abundant horsehair and is colored. Its measures all 53 cm in height. I like to pamper her and love because she is very affectionate and tender for her size. I feel very happy to work in Faunáticos since I interact a lot with the animals. This picture was taken in month of February when my sister Miriam and I were on vacation on the island of San Andres. We both buy coastal has than dark glaze to protect us from the strong rays of the sun. On this island you have to walk in light colors because of the herd as army shots and mirrored spread sure as well and my sister white shirt. The dog tag picture and blue cuff hotel what is very comfortable and French trunk on the air conditioning. The wind went out the beach of San Juan within the beautiful Island. I love my little sister although since she is the only one I have, and she helped with my education when I was little. Thank you.